Hi friends, welcome to Zina's kitchen. Today we will prepare chocolate pudding delight. These are the ingredients list that we will be requiring to prepare chocolate pudding delight. The same is also given in the description column below so that you can note down while preparing in your kitchen. Take a saucepan, keep the gas on a medium flame, put 2 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, that is Maida, 2 tablespoons of cornflour, whisk well. Now put half cup of sugar, 100 grams of dark chocolate, keep mixing. After certain time it will get thickened, so cook till the mixture thickens. Now switch off the gas. Here our mixture is ready. Now let it cool for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, put hazelnuts. Here I have used hazelnuts. You can even use peanuts or groundnuts. Take 6 to 7 Oreo biscuits. Make into small pieces. Now mix well. Fill it in the glass in which you will be serving this dessert. So you can use mini cups or these glasses. I have here used ice cream cups, so it becomes easier to serve. Now keep in the fridge for 1 hour. Take 1 cup of whipping cream. Whip on low speed for 1 minute and then on a high speed for 1 minute. It's almost double now. Put 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup. Two to 3 teaspoons of cocoa powder, little by little. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't put together, put 1 teaspoon at a time. Beat nicely till stiff peaks. Put 2 tablespoons of sugar, powder sugar, little by little. Check if our cream is ready. Take some cream on the spatula and flip over. If cream do not drip down, then our whipping is ready. The cream is ready. Now in the piping bag, this nozzle I have used. Fill the cream in it. Here our piping bag is ready. Now you just put on the cups the design that you want. Put some sprinkle chocolate vermicilles. Here our chocolate pudding delight is ready. Keep in the fridge and serve chilled. It's so easy to prepare and it is the best dessert for the party, For more recipes, please visit my website www.zinapawar.com.
So, thank you friends. I wish you try this recipe and reply how was it. If you like this recipe, then please like my video. Also, please subscribe my channel to support me and in order to get regular notifications. Friends, please share my video to all your near and dear ones and do request them to subscribe my channel. To subscribe, please don't forget to press subscribe button which is just below my video. Bye friends, see you next video.